even in wartime, we must maintain our way of life. Especially for a university, it is crucial to continue researching, teaching, and contributing to society. Today's Honorary Degrees ceremony shows that the pursuit of science and knowledge never stops.
I wish to offer a message of hope, even optimism. I am hopeful because of the immense resilience of the Israeli people, the steadfastness of world Jewry, and international solidarity we are experiencing, such as your presence tonight. And because I represent an institution that will be central to rebuilding our nation along its international standing. Which brings me to the honorees of this event. Through their remarkable achievements, they spread hope and inspire optimism wherever they go.
Give up on the right of all individuals everywhere, regardless of identity, to live productive and fulfilling lives with pride, with dignity, in safety, and in peace. And Mazel Tov.